Look! It's getting better! Yes! Love and care make miracles.
Chirp. Chirp, chirp, chirp. Who's out here alone? Hold on, little one. I see you. We're coming. Just stay put. We'll be there soon. It's okay. I won't hurt you. Weak chirp, Mud. Lawman. I promise. Weak chirp. Are you lost? Are you hurt? I got cold and I can't go far. Don't worry. I'll help you. There. Warmer. I've got you. Chirp. Do you need water? This is safe. Oh, who's that? Wait, hello down there. Mama Cat, beep. Rabbit? What happened? I found the duckling crying on the beach. No, it's cold and weak.
We must help right away.
I'll just gather a little more here. There, that should be just right. Now, let's make it extra cozy. Beep. Rest now. You're safe now. Chirp. Oh, come on, just a little spark. Almost, just a little bit more. Yes, we got it, we got it. Chirp, 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 sing. Chirp. This will keep you warm. You're gonna be okay. The duckling needs food to regain strength. I'll find something now. What do we have here? Yes, this one is perfect. And this one. Perfect! You're brave, you will be strong again. Sure.
You found food!
Yes, yes, fresh and safe. Peep. Good job. Here, have another berry. Happy chirps. Soft chewing. That's it, you're looking much better now. Excited quacks.
That's healthy.
Chirp. 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 Shake. Look.
It's getting better. Yes, love and care make miracles.
Chirp, chirp. Slowly, okay? Peep, peep. You can do it, little one. It's safe now. We're right here with you. You're doing it! Look at him go!
So proud.
The sun is coming back. Maybe it will help more. Yes, but we must go slowly. We're ready for you, little one. Chirp, chirp. Chirp, chirp, chirping excitedly. You're doing great, little one. Keep going. We're here for you, duckling. Quack, quack. I can fly. Maybe not today, but I will soon. That was amazing. Try again, slow and steady. I will. In and out. Try hopping here. It's smoother. Beep, beep. Oops. That's okay. Learning takes time. Follow the feather. Chirp, chirp. P-E-P. Aha! Yes! You did it! Wonderful! That was amazing! So proud! I did it! Move! I flew! Oh, damn it! You can do it! I hope so! I know you can! I'm flying! I'm really flying! I can fly! I did it! You're flying! I'm so proud of you. Beep, beep. Thank you. You saved me. Friends always help friends. You were brave. Time to share. Take a bite. Thank you, little one. And for me, I'm doing it. Look, I'm flying. Wow, I did it. I flew. Hooray! We can make a picnic here.
Yes, a peaceful day together.
Here, a perfect cape for our adventurer. Chirp, chirp, yay! Now, let's see you fly. I'm a superhero. Look at me go! Woohoo! I can't believe how fast they are.
Oh, they're so determined.
Chirp, 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 chirp. Chirp, chirp, chirp. We're right here. Peep. Safe landing. We did it. I'm so glad you're safe.
Oh, my little friend,
You're back.